Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the reward and the punishment centers in the brain. So what does it include? First is we look at the reward centers. The reward, it includes the major and the minor. So under major, it includes the course of the medial forebrain bundle. So course of the medial forebrain bundle. And next is the lateral and the ventromedial nuclei of the hypothalamus. Lateral and the ventromedial nuclei, and this is of the hypothalamus. So what is the minor reward centers? The minor reward centers, it includes the septum, the amygdala. Next, it also includes the BT, that is the basal tegmentum of the mesencephalon. So to just recap, the major was the course of the medial forebrain bundle, then the lateral and the ventromedial nuclei of the hypothalamus. Then looking at the minor, it includes the septum, the amygdala, basal tegmentum of the mesencephalon. Now let's move on to the punishment centers. The punishment centers, we look into major. Major, it includes the central gray area. There's a central gray area, and the central area is surrounded by the aqueduct of Sylvius in the mesencephalon. So Sylvius is inward. So the central gray area is surrounded by the aqueduct of Sylvius in the mesencephalon. Now looking at the minor, it includes amygdala as well as the hypothalamus, so AH. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.